Nobu! What a delicious watermelon!
Yes, I love watermelon.
Yeah,
because
must be nice in summer, yeah?
It's very hot season.
Okay, I'll make it way
Hey,
better.
stop.
More. Yeah, that's perfect.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just making your watermelon, way better.
Melon?
Watermelon.
No. I just wanna eat normal watermelon.
I don't care, you know? Come on, trust me. Okay, Nobu, now put that in the freezer. Just over there.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, finish.
And then we'll get back to that tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
So we'll leave that in the freezer.
Yeah.
So, I got something else. Let's do that with this as well. Come on, take it. It's heavy. Please, come on. I'll give you money later, okay?
Okay. Sorry.
That as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. What about apple?
Apple?
Come on, take it.
You wanna...
Yeah, I'll give you money. Yeah.
Okay. You have frozen this apple?
Take this as well, of course.
Okay.
No. What about melon? You know, water and melon and watermelon and milk.
But there is no storage.
Anyways, I'll pay you. This one as well. Okay, there we go, dude. Oh wait, I forgot something.
Hey.
What about some peaches?
マジで無理。マジ。
いや、無理とかじゃなくて。Peaches, okay? Okay, can you hold that? Dude, it's getting heavy, okay?
Yeah, I'm heavy.
Yeah, no, I don't care.
Yeah.
I'll pay you. It's fine, just take it. And this one. Okay. Okay, now everything in the freezer, and then tomorrow we'll make best dessert you've ever had.
Okay, I will.
Okay, Nobu, 頑張ってね。
はい。
Okay, Nobu, now we need milk.
Yeah.
Can you get me the milk?
Milk?
And just a little bit, so we can like scrape it off, and then it freezes into a sorbet.
A little bit?
Yeah, just a little bit. It's too much. Okay, I think that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, now we just have to scrape off some watermelon.
Wow.
And perfect sorbet!
Yes.
Watermelon sorbet.
Yeah, watermelon.
Okay, you want to try?
Yeah, I want to try. Okay.
Enjoy.
Yeah. いただきます。
How is it? I would say 7 out of 10.
Yeah, it's like there is no milk taste.
Yeah.
It's only watermelon taste.
Okay, instead of watermelon, let's use melon.
No.
Come on, bro.
No.
Because maybe it's better than this one.
Actually, it's not good. I want it
No.
just normal watermelon. I guess normal melon is better.
Better, yeah. It's
Yeah,
better.
no.
So,
I mean, normal melon is.
trust me.
I can't trust you.
You will trust me.
Why? So next, let's make melon sherbet.
Sorbet.
Sherbet.
Sorbet.
Sherbet.
Sorbet.
Sherbet.
Sorbet.
Sherbet.
Sorbet.
Sherbet. Sherbet.
Sorbet.
Sherbet.
Sorbet.
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 Sorbet. Sorbet. Yeah. Sorbet.
Yes, let's make.
Sherbet. Matcha latte. Sorbet.
Yeah. Maybe one more spoon.
One more spoon?
Yeah.
Is enough?
Yeah. Let me try.
Yeah. いいよ.
Do you think we can already eat it?
Not yet.
Hey, that looks like sorbet.
Yeah.
Okay, can I try?
Yes.
That is nice. これうまい。
うまい?
これうまい。
ちょっと食べたい。Hey.
Okay, Nobu. Let's do apple next.
No.
What about peach?
It's enough. It's enough. I'm full.
Full?
Yeah.
Full of shit. Peaches!
Yes. Let's make peach sherbet.
Sorbet, dude. It's a sorbet.
A little bit coconut milk. いける?
そもそも多分開ける前に shake well before use って書いて
終わり.
Why didn't you shake it before we opened
No,
it?
no.
Dude, it says it on the package.
No, I didn't cut this.
Who did?
I don't know.
I have an idea. Since we mix it anyways, just put some inside and then... Let's try.
What's this?
Or maybe if, you know, we mix it well.
Is it coconut sherbet?
Peach sorbet.
でもなんかいいやん。おー。
Okay, that's not sorbet, that looks more like mascarpone, but let's give it a try. これうまい。これほんまうまい。
本当にピーチシャーベット。
Sorbet, dude. わかる？これが一番うまいんじゃない？
うまい。
Let's for the other ones. Let's all use coconut milk.
I think this is the power of coconut milk.
Yeah, because you didn't shake it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what's next?
No, it's enough. We already eat watermelon, melon, and peach. It's enough.
But we still have apple and pineapple. I have a pen. I have an apple.
You respect Japan.
カットしてよ。もう俺バカなんじゃないかな。暇が吸い筋。帰りたい。
Pineapple.
Sorbet.
Sherbet. Yeah, I love pineapple.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, can you make the sorbet?
Yes, but first, can I eat?
No. You can't eat it.
Please. Thank you. 一番うまい。
It's just pineapple. We didn't do anything yet. Okay, get the milk. Coconut milk.
Okay, this is coconut milk. Open cup.
Open cup.
No, open cup. Open cup.
Open cup?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It's like I love you. No, just kidding. Open cup is hi, hello, arigato. No, open cup is
sayonara.
No, open cup is arigato. Arigato. And sawadika is
サワディカ聞いたことある。
はい、サワディカ。
サワディカ。なんとかか。ずっとか。
No, I think I.
Okay, I think it's.
Okay. Yeah, let's eat. Can you make it?
Of course. I'm a chef.
What chef?
Soup. Soup chef. Soupier.
Wow, it looks good.
Why are you touching it, dude? Didn't wash your hand.
It's very good. I want to try. Okay, no, stop.
これが一番うまい。これ本当に。
嘘。
That's the best one so far.
Really?
By far. That's the best one.
いただきます。
That's good, right? That is the best one. Fruity pineapple plus coconut milk. Really good.
うまっ。
Yeah, right.
オープンカップ。
Open cup.
これうまい。
So next, apple. Apple. We had pineapple. Let's do apple next.
That's enough.
No.
So you enjoy. Please enjoy, by only yourself.
No.
Hey, let's do it. Apple sherbet.
Sorbet, dude.
Sorbet, dude. Equal sherbet.
I think coconut is the best.
Yeah, coconut is the best. Oh,
This one is so easy to 削る.
shape.
Yeah.
That's why sherbet.
Yeah. Sorbet.
Where is the best country have you ever been?
I like Turkey.
Not Japan.
Yeah, Japan is nice as well. Yeah. But I thought like everything else in Japan. You were asking me about like other countries.
So which is the best city in Japan? No, in the world.
Best city in the world.
Your hometown?
Yeah. Bern.
Where is your hometown?
Bern.
Bern? Bern.
Yeah. That's the best.
Bern.
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 Okay, NOBU, we got beautiful.
Why you eat first?
I made it. 5 out of.
The taste like tofu?
Oof.
Tofu.
That was refreshing, right? Which
Yes.
one was your favorite?
My favorite one is pineapple.
Pineapple sorbet?
No, pineapple.
Pineapple sorbet.
No, just pineapple.
No, but that's not what I'm asking. Oh, like out of the sorbets, which one was the best? That's what I'm asking.
Pineapple sorbet.
Pineapple sorbet? Me.
Pineapple.
Should we do it again?
No.
Come on, let's do it again.
No.
I still have money. Let's do it again.
No.